Party founder Prashant Kishore has made a successful electoral debut by winning the Bankipur Assembly by-poll in Bihar, ending the BJP's 31-year hold over the constituency. Kishore defeated BJP candidate Neeraj Kumar by 19,324 votes, securing 64,151 votes. The by-poll was held after BJP National President Nitin Nabin vacated the seat following his election to the Rajya Sabha. The BJP had eventually fielded Neeraj Kumar after its original candidate Abhishek Banti withdrew from the contest, citing family reasons. After the victory, Kishore described the by-poll as a referendum on the BJP-led government. He said the verdict should serve as a wake-up call for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and urged him to replace Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary, alleging that the Chief Minister had criminal antecedents. Kishore clarified that he had no objection to the BJP choosing a Kushwaha leader as Chief Minister, but argued that Bihar deserved a decent person for the post. He also targeted the state's development record, saying Bihar's people deserved better infrastructure and opportunities. Referring to Gujarat's upcoming bullet train project, he remarked that Bihar should not have to only settle for passenger trains.